rear rotor, front rotor, both trailing plugs. Pulled them out, a sheet of white paper in front of both plug holes, and I'm going to crank over with the EGI pulled out. There we go. EGI pulled out, so I won't have any fuel or spark. This will tell me if there's anything in the rotor housings. Smells like fuel. Nothing really on the paper. It's pretty clean, so it's not water or oil. I do smell fuel though. Front and rear leading spark plugs. I'm gonna put the plugs back in and see how it starts. Okay, everything back in, spark plugs in, EGI fuse in, fuel's on. Just looked at the paper and nothing came out, so theoretically the motor should start up without any issues. So here we go. See how rough it was? It smells like a lot of raw fuel too. That's it.